Welcome to Review Lab. The best toy kitchen set is probably one of the most exciting toys for kids, sparking their imagination and creativity. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of toy kitchen sets, exploring different models, features, and what makes a great set for your little chefs. We'll be looking at everything from the size and durability to the accessories included, helping you find the perfect kitchen set to inspire hours of fun and imaginative play. Number 5. Best Choice Products Kids Wooden Play Kitchen, Pink. This wooden kitchen set is designed to look just like a real kitchen, perfect for your little chef. It's designed for their size, so they can easily reach everything and have a blast playing. The kitchen features a chalkboard surface where they can jot down notes and get creative. It's a great way for them to practice writing and drawing while they play. The set comes with 11 accessories, including utensils, pots, and even an ice maker. They can keep everything organized in the overhead shelf, oven, fridge, freezer, microwave, or dishwasher. Your child will have a true-to-life experience with features like a towel rack and ice machine. The oven knobs even click, adding to the realistic feel as they pretend to bake and cook. Great toys take time to build. This item has many screws that make it sturdy and resilient for kids to play with. Follow the included instruction manual for an estimated assembly time of 90 minutes. Rest easy knowing this kitchen set is safe for your children. It's made with plastic materials and meets U.S. federal safety standards for ASTM and CPSA. It's well built and fun. What we like? This kitchen set boasts a realistic design, complete with a chalkboard surface and an ice maker. It also comes with 11 accessories, offering a complete play experience. The true-to-life features, like the towel rack and realistic sounds, make it a hit. If you are looking for a kitchen set that provides a truly immersive and engaging play experience, this is the one for you. What people say. The kitchen set has a realistic design. The toy kitchen set includes multiple accessories, such as pots, pans, and utensils. The kitchen set features interactive elements like a stove with lights and sounds. Number 4. Tiny Land Wooden Play Kitchen, Trendy Home Style. Introducing the Tiny Land Play Kitchen, recently honored with the Parents' Picks Award for Best Preschool Product of 2023. This award recognizes products essential for a child's development, fostering learning through play and exploration. This kitchen is designed for multiple children to play together, with a generous operating area. It provides ample space for kids to cut ingredients, organize items, and enjoy their playtime together. The dimensions are 43L x 40H x 14W inches, with a 22-inch countertop height. The Tiny Land Play Kitchen is packed with features, including an ice maker, coffee maker, microwave, stove, faucet, and sink. It also includes a clock, weather table, oven, and cupboards. These rich configurations enhance children's coordination and spark their imaginations. We prioritize quality, using wood that exceeds US ASTM F963 and EU EN 71 safety standards. This ensures that the product is safe for your children to play with. We focus on providing a safe and enjoyable experience. Tiny Land offers a 90-day quality guarantee. If you have any questions, please contact us. If you notice a slight odor upon opening, it's from being sealed during shipping. Simply air it out. We are committed to your satisfaction. What we like? This kitchen set has won the Parents' Picks Awards for its trendy design. It offers a larger operating area, allowing multiple children to play together. The focus on quality ensures durability and safety. If you have multiple children or want a kitchen set that encourages social play and is built to last, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The kitchen set is very sturdy and well made. The set includes a lot of accessories, such as pots, pans, utensils, and play food. The knobs on the stove and oven turn and make clicking sounds. Number 3. Jumbl Kids Wooden Play Kitchen Set. This play kitchen is more than just a toy. It's designed to provide a realistic kitchen setup, allowing kids to immerse themselves in a fun and educational experience. It features interactive elements that make it feel just like a real kitchen. The kitchen includes a battery-operated ice dispenser and a microwave with buttons and sounds. Clicking knobs and other features add to the realistic feel. It's a great way for children to learn through play. The set comes with 2 free stovetop toys, a pot and a frying pan, so kids can start playing right away. There's also an integrated chalkboard for jotting down ingredients and other creative play ideas. It also has a real towel rack and other authentic details. This all-in-one playset provides hours of fun and educational entertainment. Little ones can imagine, explore, learn, and pretend with a variety of lifelike cooking and cleaning essentials. It includes everything they need for a complete kitchen experience. The high-quality furniture and fixtures are crafted from heavy-duty composite wood and molded plastic parts. This ensures utmost safety and the ability to withstand years of wear and tear. Despite its extensive design, it's easy to assemble. This compact and lightweight play kitchen is effortless to move and maneuver. Its freestanding style is perfect for any playroom, bedroom, daycare, or school classroom. It also has built-in shelving and cabinetry for accessory storage. What we like. This kitchen set offers super realistic sights and sounds, enhancing the play experience. It includes bonus tools and accessories, so your little ones can start playing right away. The durable wood construction ensures it can withstand years of wear and tear. If you like a kitchen set that provides a rich, interactive experience and is built to last, this is a great option. What people say. The kitchen set has a realistic design. The set includes various accessories like pots, pans, and utensils. The toy kitchen features interactive elements such as a stove with lights and sounds. Number 2. Lil Jumbl Pink Kids Wooden Play Kitchen Set. This Lil Jumbl kitchen set is more than just a toy, it's an interactive learning experience. It has realistic sounds and features to immerse children in a real kitchen setup. The set includes a battery-operated ice dispenser and a microwave with buttons and sounds. Clicking knobs and other features add to the realistic feel, making playtime engaging. It comes with free stovetop toys like a pot and frying pan, ready for immediate play. A chalkboard is integrated for jotting down ingredients and other creative play ideas. This all-in-one playset provides hours of fun and educational entertainment. Little ones can explore and pretend with various cooking and cleaning essentials. Made with heavy-duty composite wood and molded plastic parts, it's built to withstand years of wear and tear. Despite its extensive design, it's easy to assemble. The compact and lightweight design is easy to move and maneuver. It's perfect for any setting, with built-in shelving and cabinetry for accessory storage. What we like. This kitchen set offers super realistic sights and sounds, enhancing the play experience. It includes bonus tools and accessories, so your little ones can start playing right away. The durable wood construction ensures it can withstand years of wear and tear. If you like a kitchen set that provides a rich, interactive experience and is built to last, this is a great option. What people say. It's got clicky knobs, microwave lights and sounds, bubbly water dispenser. It's really adorable. I am actually impressed with the quality of the doors and functions. The color schemes and the noise features are amazing. Number 1. Kids Cooking Set, Safe Knives and Cutting Board. This set includes everything your child needs for real cooking fun. It features a variety of safe knives, cutting boards, and other essential tools. It's a great way to get them involved in the kitchen. The knives are made from wood, stainless steel, and food-grade polypropylene. They are non-toxic and BPA-free, ensuring a safe cooking experience. These materials are durable and designed for little hands. The wooden knife has cute patterns to attract children. The knives have a comfortable grip, making them easy and safe to use. It's perfect for cutting various fruits and vegetables. This set encourages creativity and hands-on learning. Kids can cook alongside you, creating their own dishes. It's a fun way to teach them about food and cooking. This kitchen set provides children with the opportunity to imitate adults. Through practice, they can improve their skills and strengthen your relationship. It's a great way to learn together. What we like. This set is made of safe and healthy materials, ensuring peace of mind. It features a unique and exquisite design, stimulating children's interest. It also helps in ability training for kids, encouraging creativity. If you are looking for a set that promotes safe and educational play, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The kitchen set has a lot of accessories, including pots, pans, utensils, and play food. The set includes a refrigerator, oven, stove, and sink. The kitchen set is made of durable plastic and is easy to clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.